I'm gonna show you how to delay start your GE electric oven. The only thing you'll have to do here, as you can see my oven, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, you hit bake, and you can set your temperature whatever you want. Then you hit delay start. Once you hit the delay start, you can change it to what time you want it to start. Right now it's 1:18, so I'm gonna have it to delay start for 1 minute, 1:19. So I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit. Once it gets to 1:19, you probably heard it kicked on, and you can see the temperature start rising to the desired temperature. And you probably hear the fan and everything kick on. So after 1 minute, it came on. So let's do this again. We're gonna hit delay, and we're gonna delay it to 1:20. So just add a minute to it. We're gonna hit start. So we're gonna fast forward. So once the time hits 1:20, it'll kick on, and you probably can hear the fan and everything kicks on. As you can probably hear it now, it kicked on. So as you can see, the temperature start rising. So that's really all to it. So you set it by what time. Make sure your time is set right on your clock and set it. So we're gonna delay this until, let's say 3. I'm gonna go 3:20. So I hit start. So in 2 hours, it'll kick on and it'll start baking my food. Okay, I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.